Hi friends, today we'll be discussing about straight lines. This is a topic from class 11th mathematics. So after this video you shall be able to solve all the questions regarding straight lines. Now I'll be taking out three concepts. So first thing is to find out the slope. Second is to find out the equations of lines. And in third part I'll be discussing about the basics which you should know to solve all the problems for the straight lines. So once you see all the three videos, you shall be able to solve all the questions of straight lines without any issues. So first thing is about slopes. Slope of any given line is given by tangent of the theta it makes with the positive x-axis. Say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now this line will divide the whole graph into two parts. So this is one part, this is another part. This is positive x-axis side and this is negative x-axis side. So slope is nothing but tan of theta. And this theta should be the angle the line makes with positive x-axis. So only positive x-axis. So I'll take up three questions with this, which I'll explain you what do you mean by positive x-axis. So first thing is, say this is the line, this angle 60 degrees, slope is nothing but tan of 60, because it is tan theta, theta is nothing but angle with respect to the positive x-axis, which is nothing but 60 degrees, so tan 60 is nothing but root 3. The same scenario if suppose this angle is given 30 degrees. So you don't have to consider this 30 degree. What you have to do is you have to find the angle which the line makes with the positive x-axis. So positive x-axis is this side. So you have to find out this angle. So this theta is nothing but 150 degrees by linear pair. So over here slope is tan of 150. So which is nothing but minus cot of 60 degrees. So cot 60 is nothing but 1 by root 3. So it is minus 1 by root 3. So in the similar fashion, if you have a line wherein this angle is given, say this is 30 degrees, again the concept remains same, m is nothing but tan theta, wherein theta is nothing but angle which the line makes with positive x-axis. Now line intersects over here, so this is positive axis, this is negative x-axis, you need to find out this angle. So this is our theta over here. Now we are given this as 30 degree angle with vertically opposite, this will be 30 degree angle, and angle sum property for a triangle, this angle comes out to be 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is nothing but angle which the line makes with the positive x-axis. So slope is nothing but tan of 60 degrees. So tan 60 is root 3. So these are three type of questions pertaining to angle which the line makes with any axis, and you shall be able to find out the slope. Another way is you will be given 2 points, say x1, y1 and x2, y2. When you have 2 points, just join this, and this is the theta. Now this theta and this theta is going to be same, corresponding angles. This is nothing but theta which the line makes with positive x-axis. So we have to find out slope, which is nothing but tan theta. So considering this triangle, say this is A, this is B and this is C, tan theta is AB by BC. What is AB? Change in Y, which is Y1 minus Y2. What is BC? Change in X, which is X1 minus X2. You get slope. So if 2 points are given or the angle is given with respect to the positive x-axis, you can find out the slope. So these are two ways of finding out the slope of a given line. Now you have certain conditions of slope of one line with respect to other. Say so this is axis. Say there are two lines, line 1 and line 2, which are parallel. And line 1 makes angle theta 1 over here with the positive x-axis. Now since these two are parallel lines, this theta should be equal to this theta, corresponding angles. So this should be theta 1 Now both are making the same angle with positive x-axis, so slope should be same. So m1 should be equal to m2. So whenever two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Second condition is if two lines are perpendicular to each other. Say this is line 1 and this is line 2, which are perpendicular, line 2. And this angle is given theta 1. So slope m1 will be nothing but tan of theta 1. For line 2 we need to find out this angle. Say this is theta 2. By angle sum property of this triangle, this angle comes out to be 90. So say this is x. So x plus theta 1 plus 90 is nothing but 180. So this x comes out to be, from this equation, it is 90 minus theta 1. And theta 2 plus 90 minus theta 1 should be equal to 180 degree, since these two are linear pair. So theta 2 comes out to be 90 plus theta 1. So slope m2 is nothing but tan of 90 plus theta 1. 90 plus theta 1 is nothing but minus of cot theta 1. If you do the product m1 into m2, it is tan theta 1 minus into minus cot theta 1. Cot theta 1 is nothing but 1 by tan theta 1. This comes out to be minus 1. So m1 into m2 is minus 1. So there are two conditions now. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes are equal to minus 1. So if you know the slope of one line, you can find out the slope of other line given these two conditions. And there is third scenario wherein you don't have any direct relation with respect to each other. So if you have two lines and you don't have direct relation with respect to each other, say this is line 1 and this is line 2. Line 1 and this is line 2. You need to find out the angle between them when the slopes are given. Say the slope of line 1 is m1, slope of line 2 is m2. So m1 is nothing but, say this is theta 1 and this is theta 2. m1 is tan theta 1, m2 is tan theta 2. You need to find out the angle between them. To find out the angle between them, if I know theta 1 and if I know this angle, if I know theta 1, if I know theta 2, I can find out the angle between two lines. And where do I get this theta 1 and theta 2 from? From the given slope. We know m1 is equal to tan theta 1, so theta 1 will be nothing but tan inverse of m1. Similarly, theta 2 will be nothing but tan inverse of m2. If you see this triangle ABC, theta 2 should be equal to theta 1 plus theta. How? Exterior angle. So exterior angle equals to sum of two opposite interior angles. So theta 2 should be equal to theta 1 plus theta. We know theta 2 is nothing but tan inverse of m2. Theta 1 is tan inverse of m1 plus theta. We are interested to find out this theta. So theta is nothing but tan inverse of m2 minus tan inverse of m1. Got it till here? Okay, now tan inverse A minus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse of A minus B divided by 1 plus A into B. So m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Tan comes here, so tan theta is nothing but m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So whenever you know two slopes, angle between them is tan theta equals to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. I would encourage you to know the concept. Just go through this.